Hello guys, this is Abhishek here. Welcome to my channel Abhishek Tech Talk. So in this particular video, we will talk about dynamic form in Salesforce. So here like we already uploaded 20 lectures and we covered many topics. So you can check out by accessing this playlist Salesforce Complete Course 2026. Okay. So in this particular video, we will talk about dynamic form in Salesforce, what is dynamic form, and also we will create dynamic form in our Salesforce org. Okay, so all the hands-on practice you can also do with me in your org. So let's see what is dynamic form. So dynamic form basically a feature that allow admin to build flexible field level page layouts directly in Lightning and Builder without relying solo on traditional page layout. So like in the last video, we will talk about page layouts. So in page layout, basically it's the very old feature of Salesforce. So there we click and drag every and fields, and also we determine like which field should to show there and which field should to not show there, but there is no conditional show or hide field functionality there in page layout. And also in page layout we can create different profiles have different page layout, or we can also create a code type for different page layouts. Okay, so like there are some limitations. So nowadays like there are another feature in Salesforce comes in our mind, and that call us to dynamic form. So it's basically give the functionality to show or hide fields depending on record values, user profile, permission, or other criteria. User can see relevant field, reducing clutter, and entire section can be displayed based on some condition. Okay, so how we can create basically that is the question. So I logged in into my org, then I go to course. So in course, record one like swimming record I opened. So swimming course are not free. So like there are course type field. So there is two values like free and paid. If a particular course is free, then this face field not should to display in record uh, page. Okay, so now like it's display even it's free. So this is the scenario we have. So how we can achieve that? So we have to firstly make it dynamic. So how we can make a page layout dynamic? So we have to go to edit page for a particular object, then upgrade it into dynamic form. So we don't have to think about like rows, columns, or like fields, sections in dynamic form. It's all the handled by automatically. So when we click here, then this box R comes. So we have to click on upgrade now, then click on next, then click on next. Yeah, new page layout, whatever you want to see. So I think this is I am using. Okay, let me check which is I am using. So how we can check? So give me 1 second. Why it's not displaying? Close. Now it's displaying. So you are able to see like this is the page layout, current page layout. Okay, new page layout of course. So I when I click on upgrade, let me first make it 100%. Then skip the next, then which page layout for I want to create dynamic form. So new page layout for course because it's I am using now. So automatically it's create two sections and all the fields displayed in very structured way automatically. Okay, so it's all done by itself. So here we can like set something like information field, or like two column, one column. So if we click on one column, then this type of fields will display, and two column, then this type of field display. So here we can directly click and drag the conditions. Okay, so here we can click and drag. This one I also want to show there. Just so course type is here. Course type because I want to categorize based on course type. Use structure based on course type. Okay. So just course type should be before fee structure so that it looks good when hmm. Now it's fine. Okay. So how to we can add conditioning. So here like we have to click on fees structure, fees field, then set visibility, like set visibility here, and like click on add filter, and course name, not course name, course type is equals to paid, then only it should to visible. Okay, so now like this, you are able to see this eye icon here. Okay, so this will display only when post type will paid. So let me save it and active it. So this is basically dynamic form. So we have to assign it to our default and set a desktop and phone both, and save it. Then go again back. Now you are able to see there is no like fees field. You are able to see because post type is free. When I change it to paid, then only this fees structure fees field will be you are able to see. Okay, like that. When you try to create any new record, then also like fees field you are not able to see for now. Like for horse riding is a course name, like 1 month. Then if I select it's free, then you are not able to see fees field. But when you choose as paid, then fees field you are able to see. So here you can write down like 4,000 rupees, then save it. Then it's you are able to see. So I think you are able to understand like what is dynamic form and how we can use it for conditional show dark field based on another field. Okay, based on condition we can show any field in dynamic form that is not available in page layout. So this is the scenario, and hope you understand, and any doubt you can comment out below this video. And this is the interview question, dynamic form versus page layout. You have to read about it because this is question asked in many interviews. Okay, you have to knowledge about what is the difference between dynamic form and page layout. And if you want to get this PDF, then you can go in and subscribe our like Telegram channel where I will upload this lecture PDF and other lectures PDF as well. And below this video description, you are able to access this PDF via link. Okay, so feel free to ask any question in comment box and give me suggestion like which topic you want to like learn. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.